This is part 2 of my trip to Mount Fuji where we're going to DIY to some of the popular tourist spots in the area. Just watch my previous video on my profile to see part 1 which is about commuting from Tokyo to Mount Fuji and back. So now we're in Kawaguchiko Station and actually 2 spots lang naman yung plano naming puntahan. But we did not expect na malapit lang pala sa Kawaguchiko Station itong viral Lawson store with a view of Mount Fuji. Like literally 3 minutes walk away lang. Kaya syempre pinuntahan namin and expect nyo na rin na may pila talaga. Of course we took millions of photos and videos kasi everything is content. There's also this cute alleyway na madadaanan nyo with a view of Mount Fuji. Sunod naman naming pinuntahan is the Arakureyama Sengen Park. From Kawaguchiko Station, sakay lang kayo ng train going to Shimo Yoshida Station. You don't need to buy any special ticket for this train ride. You can just use your Icoca or Suica card and it costs around 305 yen. This is what people don't tell you about going here. Malayo po ito from the train station. Yes, may mahabang lakaran from the train station and pagdating mo may akyatan pang magaganap around 400 steps din. And it can take you 20 minutes or more to reach the top depende kung gaano kakabilis. I swear hinihingal na ako, tagaktak na ng pawis but it was all worth it. I mean, just look at the view. Expect nyo na rin na marami talagang tao but everyone will get a chance naman to take photos with this iconic view of Mount Fuji. Once we're done, nag-train ride lang ulit kami pabalik ng Kawaguchiko Station. Pro tip, be sure na magbaon kayo ng snacks and water. Our third and final stop is the Uishi Park and makinig kayo kasi I wish I knew this before our trip. So bumili kami ng one-day pass for 1,500 yen to the north area of Mount Fuji kasi I thought that's the only way papuntang Uishi Park. Para siyang only hop-on hop-off bus rides for the day. Worth it naman siya if you really want to visit the multiple tourist spots along the way. However, in our case, Uishi Park lang naman yung gusto naming puntahan. So we don't need the pass at all. We could have just paid the normal fare to and from Uishi Park using our Icoca or Suica card. Around 400 yen lang ata yung one-way bus ride, sayang. Oh well, we live and we learn. Anyway, we're here and as always, marami talagang tao. But that did not stop us from having fun and exploring Uishi Park. Pwede tayong tumambay sa Kawaguchiko Lake and admire Mount Fuji from afar. You can also take photos sa garden nila. It was autumn during my trip kaya wala masyadong bloom. But that's okay. Everything still looks beautiful kaso si Mount Fuji nagtatago na. May cafes din dito if you're hungry but they're a bit pricey kaya nag-vending machine lang ako. At nung pabalik na kami ng Kawaguchiko Station, tuluyan nang nagtago si Mount Fuji. Apparently, Mount Fuji is only visible for 80 days a year. Like here sa Lawson's, nandyan pa yan kanina but now it's in hiding. From 2 PM onwards, di na talaga siya nagpakita. I'm just so happy that we got to see Mount Fuji before it became cloudy. Save this video para may guide kayo if you want to DIY your trip to Mount Fuji. But if you prefer na mag-tour package, then you can book it through Klook. Use my code and click the link in my bio to get discounts on Klook. You can also watch my video about the Mount Fuji tour package in my profile para may idea kayo. So now we're going back to Tokyo and you can check out my previous post to see how it went. More Japan adventures coming soon, so hit the follow button to stay updated. Yun lang. Okay, thanks. Bye!